This is someone's Vax 2100. It's an older machine. As you can see, it's gone a bit brittle here, and pieces have actually fallen off on their own cracks when the machine has been turned on. So I don't know if that's down to age and then vibrating, so the pressure being on it, you know, and cracking. It's a wet and dry system. I really like this machine. If this is, you know, similar to the newer orange style ones, the 6121, then I'd definitely actually buy one of the newer ones. So I'd even buy one like this. This is someone's that's lent me to use this to shampoo my dad's new house carpets. So, cause there's a couple of things that need shampooing on them. It's a great machine. I'll show you the other accessories it's got. This is the wet dry, I'd say a filter, but it's more of a tank. Yeah, it's a tank, but it involves the mechanism which pops up a little ball that goes up and down when the water rises. So, but it's the equivalent to the dry filter where the dry filter fits. You get a little corner edge tool for going around that corners and getting into little spots. You get your standard floor tool, which that pops out. Basically, this machine does not have a pump built in. So what happens is the pipe goes down to the bottom. It then presses against the floor with the pipe in that hole there. It pulls the water through via the suction and then back through the hose. So it doesn't. I don't think it shampoos floors as well as one with a pump does, because the ones with the pump obviously would do a better job, but because this is going straight back up the hose, it's just taking water, dropping it on the floor and bringing it back. But still, not a bad machine, especially when someone's lending it to you, so it's all good. Just trying to get this back in here, which you just got to push there. There we go, and the pipe would go through there. Put that back in there. We've got the trigger release and the hose for the trigger release. You just flick that, and then you press that catch. That catch to be against something, you'd push that somehow. So I've just got that in there. Then there's 3 bottles of this come with it. This one's nearly empty, but the other 2 are full. Vax AAA carpet solution. So that's the wet and dry tool. The dry tools involve just your normal crevice tool, this big fluffy Vax dusting brush, and this upholstery tool, which is by Vax, another proper original tool. Now, I've looked on the machine and there should be a filter here, but there isn't one, but I'm using it without, but it'll be absolutely fine, especially for what I'm using it for, because I'm using it for wet and dry. And also, what I didn't know is, this switch here, which I used to originally think, because I didn't know this machine was a pump machine, when I actually used this machine about, well, 7 years ago, so when I was a lot younger, about 9 or 10, this machine, I thought that was for some sort of water pump because of the water there, but it's actually a suction level. Thank you for watching.